Hello, welcome to Techie Laptop Battery Replacement Guide series. In this series, we'll show you how to replace various laptop batteries. So in today's video, we'll look at how to replace the OD06 battery. This video will be a comprehensive overview of the process. You can also find a step-by-step guide on techiestore.in. The link for the article is mentioned below in the description. The procedure will be similar for all the laptop models that are compatible with Techie OD06 Laptop Battery, and in this video we will be using HP EliteBook Revolve 810G3. Before getting started, make sure the laptop is turned off and disconnected from any external power source. Now flip the laptop upside down and gently push the switch to the left side. As pushed, the battery will pop out from its place, and now using your hands, lift the battery and put it away. Place your new Techie OD06 laptop battery over the battery compartment and align both the laptop and battery connector. Then gently push down the battery. With the sound of click, the battery will fit properly and move the switch towards the right side. Now enjoy the fresh energy of the Techie OD06 battery in your laptop.